Okay, we're going to take a look at what happens when you declare a variable, but you don't actually assign it a value. As you can see in our example here, we have 4 different variables declared, but we're not actually assigning a value before we're using those variables down here in our code. So let's go ahead and run that. And as you can see, we still print out values. So what Golang does here, that if we don't assign it a value, it's going to go ahead and assign the default 0 value for that particular data type. And as you can see, for ints, we are getting a 0, and floats will be 0 as well. Booleans will come out false, and our string is just going to be an empty string. You can't see it here, but there's still an empty string there. So just remember, if you don't assign it a value, Golang's going to go ahead and assign it the 0 value for you. All right, see you in the next one.